students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter number 8, more on Tux Paint. First of all, I will be showing you how to open Tux Paint. For opening Tux Paint, you can directly double click the icon present on your computer or PC, or you can go to start button and here you need to type Tux. Then after searching, then you will get Tux Paint. It will be one in a full screen and another in a windowed, that is small screen. So we will click on full screen. Once we click on the full screen, we will get the Tux Paint open like this in this form. So now let me explain what actually this Tux Paint is. Tux Paint is an easy to use drawing program. It is basically for kids. It has various tools to draw and color pictures. You can insert ready-made shapes, images in your pictures and also special effects to them. And you can listen voice also. While when I am doing the painting, then you can listen sound effects also. So let us start. As I have already shown you how to open it, I will be showing how to open a new page. For opening the new page, you first need to understand what are the components. So this section where the tool is written, this is known as toolbar. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं toolbar. And this toolbar contain drawing and editing tools. है ना, जितना भी drawing editing tools होगा वो हमें कहाँ मिलेगा? toolbar में. Then here we have selector. This is the selector and it displays various options for the selected tool. What happens? Whatever we will select, according to this selection, these selectors will be changed. जो भी यहाँ हम लोग choose करेंगे, according to this, the selector option will be changed. As I am clicking on the paint, all the other options related to paint tool is present in the selector option. Or if I select this one, it will be changed. So that is the work of selector. Now the white area which you see here, this is known as drawing area. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Drawing area or known as drawing canvas. This is the place where we will draw our picture. And here is the color palette which is used to select different colors. As you can see, here are different colors and we can select in this form. Whichever color we will select, you can listen some sound also, as well as this penguin is giving the direction. This penguin gives you the tips, and this area is known as help area, and help area provides you tips and other information about the selected tool. Like if I will select paint tool, so pick a color and a brush shape to draw with it. जो भी related information होगा वो हम लोगों को यहाँ से क्या होगा? मिल जाएगा. This is known as help area. So let us revise. This white area is known as drawing canvas. This section is known as toolbar. This right side is known as selector. And here we have the color palette. And where the penguin is standing, this area is known as help area. So now let us understand the tools. What are the tools? So first tool is paint tool. When we will click the paint tool, then from here we can choose any of the desired tool shapes. Like if you choose this, and then what you need to do, click and drag. See, if you choose with the more width, choose it and draw it. Like if you want to choose any flower, choose it, change the color and you can draw it. See, can you see it? So this is how we can draw. Or you can go down also. Here is down arrow. यहाँ पे click करोगे नीचे के direction में, और यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? हार्ट का ऑप्शन है. चूज करो, ड्रॉ करो, है ना. टेक द कलर एंड ड्रॉ इट, है ना. या इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. इट इज अप टू यू, है ना. कैसे करना चाहते हो वो हम लोग इसको ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस वाज द पेंट टूल. आफ्टर पेंट टूल, हियर वी हैव स्टैम्प टूल. This stamp tools give you the stamps, है ना. Here you can see, here are 3-4 stamps are available, है ना. Like penguin, जो भी चूज करेंगे यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? उसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. अभी देखो ये penguin के शेप में आ गया, क्लिक, है ना. चूज another penguin, click. Like this we can do it. We can insert the stamps. We can also increase the size from here. Here you see, अभी देखो क्या बड़ा साइज आएगा, है ना. So from here we can increase and decrease the size. So let us keep it in small, है ना. See. So there are different types of stamps which we can apply, है ना. Now we will talk about other tool, that is the line tool. अभी line tool में क्या होता है? In line tool we can draw different lines, है ना. So before drawing the lines I will show you the use of eraser tool. Eraser tool से क्या होता है? We will select the eraser and then we can choose our size of or shape of eraser also. Like I am taking circle, है ना, erase it, है ना. We can erase it properly. We can just erase it and clear our screen like this, isn't it? So I am just clearing the screen so that we could draw something good. Like I have just cleared it, है ना. So this is Tux Paint. Now let us take line tool and let us come here and see what are the options present. Like here we have different lines. We can draw lines like from here we will choose this, है ना. We will choose this one and we will choose any of the desired color. Like I am choosing here green color. So for making a line, है ना. So like this we can make a line. Afterwards here we have the shape. For drawing different shapes we can choose shape tool. Go for square, click and drag. You will see the square. यहाँ देखो स्क्वायर दिख रहा है. You can also draw the filled color square. Like choose it, click and drag. इसको किस शेप में रखना है वो भी सेट कर लो, या अगर चाहिए तो क्या करो, इसको मूव कर लो. यहाँ देखो and click. ये स्क्वायर हमारा क्या हो गया, बन गया. Here we have octagon. Many different shapes are there. So many shapes are there ना. After making it, if you want to adjust it, adjust the size and click. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, बन जाएगा. If you want to make star, go for it, click and drag. After clicking, adjust the direction and then once again you click it. तो ऐसे क्या होगा, like this you can make different shapes. Now here we come for the text tool. Text से क्या होता है, हम लोग कोई भी चीज लिख सकते हैं. Like I am just selecting this and I will write hello. ठीक है. तो now like this we can write and we can place it wherever we want to place it. तो ये क्या हो गया, लिख लिया. We will learn about fill tool. What is the use of fill tool? What happens? Fill tool is used to fill the color in the closed figure. So when you will take the fill color, then you need to choose the color and then you just click it. So the whole background will be changed in that color. Or you can just go to lines or shapes, draw any shape of different color and then we can fill the color in it. Like you have made the circle, let us just take purple color and fill it. So like this we can fill color. So fill color is used to fill any closed objects or closed figure. Now here comes the magic tool and this is the real magic. And this magic effects provide different kinds of tools. And it has very special effects. So what are the effects? Let us talk about it. First option which you see, that is bricks. And brick का मतलब क्या है? Bricks जैसा look. So we will just choose it. There are two type of bricks, है ना? Just choose it, select the color and just draw. देखो ये brick जैसा आ रहा है effect, है ना? And there is one more bricks. So we will go for it and we will see. एक मोटा है और एक क्या है, पतला जैसा brick है. So these are the bricks. What are the other options? There is a calligraphy. Calligraphy में क्या हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं like this, है ना? We can लिख, we can just write like hello. As we have written in MS Paint, in same way we can write, है ना? So it is looking very beautiful, isn't it? I know my handwriting is not very good. Now there are flower option. You will come down, यहाँ पे नीचे देखो flower. Flower से पहले चलो सबसे पहले grass करते हैं. यहाँ पे है grass का option. Go for it. Choose the grass, choose the green color and click and draw the grass. Click and drag. How to draw? You need to click and then you need to drag. So like this you can make the tux. paint. Beautiful. Now we will go for flower. Choose the flower effect. Go for the color, like just let us take yellow color. Click. So yellow color flower is there. Green color flower. Whichever color flower you want to make, you can make it. Or if you want to choose some different color, so you can go here also, and you can choose color of your choice. Like I am making here pink color, so pink color is here. So now I will making flowers with pink color, है ना. Or you can go for orange color. So basically up to you. है. You can go for black color also. See, there are so many colors, है ना. जिस भी कलर से फ्लावर बनाना है उसको क्या कर सकते हो, बना सकते हो. देखो व्हाइट कलर का भी फ्लावर है. Have you seen black color flower? So these are the flower effect. After that here we have like foam, है ना. foam से क्या होता है, it gives like foamy effect, है ना. foam जैसा बन जाएगा. just see bubbles are there, can you see, है ना. so this is like foam, है ना. now after that here we have this option. नीचे आएंगे and here we will see like rail, है ना. rail से क्या होगा, like it will be like track, है ना. rail track, ऐसा जैसा भी ट्रैक बनाना चाहो you can make it, है ना. you can draw it like this, है ना. so these are the rails. the next we will go for rainbow, है ना. move it down. और यहाँ पे देखो दो तरह का रेन है, रेनबो. एक ये ऐसा सुंदर सा, this is just draw it, ऐसे देखो, give it the shape and just click it, है ना. so this is the rainbow. and another rainbow we have this one. so just click it and make it like this. इसको सुंदर बनाना है. I know it's not good. so these are the effects. there is also option for rain. if you want to bring the rainy effect, choose the rain and click drops. these are the drops. you can make like this, है ना. इसको ऐसे करके बना सकते हो. it gives you rainy effect. so these are the different magic effects which are present and which will help you to make your drawing very beautiful. you can make your drawing very beautiful. there is also option for Toronto. so let us just see once where it is present here. see कैसा लग रहा है, जैसे कि कोई साइक्लोन आ रहा है, isn't it? so it's give you like cyclone effect, isn't it? see, तो ये हम लोगों को साइक्लोन इफेक्ट ऐसा करके क्या होता है, मिलता है इससे. ठीक है. so like this you can make. so these are the different magic tools, and these are the different magic effects. now we will talk about stamp tool. we have already talked about stamp tool. now I will show you how to save it. for saving it we will go for save tool, है ना. once you click it on the save, then ये क्या हो गया, ये सेव हो गया, है ना. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर ओपन. ओपन का मतलब क्या है, जो भी हम लोगों ने सेव किया है वो हम लोगों को कहाँ से मिलेगा, ओपन से मिलेगा. लाइक आई हैव सेव्ड दिस प्रीवियसली, क्लिक इट एंड ओपन इट. तो ये क्या हो गया, ओपन हो गया. और इफ यू वांट टू ओपन समथिंग एल्स, सो अगेन यू गो फॉर ओपन एंड सेलेक्ट दिस वन. तो अब ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा ओपन. और इफ यू वांट अ ब्लैंक पेज, न्यू ब्लैंक पेज, देन वी विल गो फॉर न्यू. क्लिक ऑन द न्यू and then you will get these options. so from here we can choose the background color. कौन सा कलर का बैकग्राउंड चाहिए वो भी यहाँ से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, चूज कर सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे जब नीचे आएंगे तो देयर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस, है ना. तो इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. लाइक जस्ट वी विल जस्ट टेक दिस चिक और इसको क्या करेंगे, ओपन करेंगे एंड वी विल कलर इट. एंड फॉर coloring it, which kind of tool we need fill color. so we'll take fill color and then we will fill it. let us just give it like red color, है ना. और the color of the beak, yellow color and here also yellow color, isn't it looking good? oh, not very good. let me just try something different na, just make it very colorful, है ना. so like this we can give different colors, है ना, to the drawing and it helps to make your drawing very beautiful, है ना. ये इससे हम लोग अपने ड्राइंग को सुंदर बना सकते हैं. and we can apply different effects also, है ना, as we have studied now. अभी हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे effects पढ़े हैं, तो इसको हम लोग यहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं and we can make it beautiful. let us just give some grass, है ना. and if you want to write something, just select the text tool and write class class 2, as I have written here class 2. So I hope, my dear children, the text topic would be clear to you all. This is very interesting and very good program for kids. You can download it if you want. I can give you the link also so that you could download it very easily. Now I will show you how to close the tux paint. For closing we need to go for the quit tool. Quit का मतलब क्या होता है, किसी भी चीज को बंद करना, है ना. So for quitting we need to click on the quit, है ना. And if you are done, it is asking from you whether you have done or not. If you are done, then you click yes, I am done. So now like this we have saved it. So I hope, my dear children, the topic of tux paint would be clear to you all. Thank you, my dear children.